Hello. Welcome to a new Rokobot class. Today we're going to see how you can run macros from Rokobot through Excel. Alright, first, what we're going to do is start the robot from scratch. We're going to open it. We're going to look for the file. If you can't find it here, we're going to search through all the rows, all the files. We're going to open it. We wait for the path to load and then we run it. And here we're going to see exactly all the data that we need to delete. Who's going to delete it? The macro. Let's see. If we look at the macro, we'll see it's called Limpia, which basically, if I run it, deletes all the data. Here I ran it manually from Excel. Now, let's not save and open it again. What I'm going to do is run it from Rokobot, meaning the same thing I did manually, but from Rokobot so I can automate that task. So let's run the macro. It's going to clean up, and as we can see here, we have all the data, and if I run the macro, that data disappears. If, in case this gives you any error, especially the run macro command, what you should do is go to your Excel, then to File, go to Options, and in Options, Trust Center, and in Trust Center, go to Trust Center Settings. And here, where it says Macro Settings, you need to have all the Visual Basic macros enabled, and also trust access to the Visual Basic Project Object Model. If you don't have this configuration, you might get a compatibility error. Alright, I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you very much.